everyone, it's Lane at KOKOON. I just wanted to give a little bit of a recap on what we talked about the other day, which was how to put together a capsule wardrobe for your spring break vacation. So the first thing that we talked about, which is one of the things that I find the most difficult to decide upon when I'm getting ready for vacation, is number one, what's my travel outfit? And I really try to make use of the opportunity to layer up, wear as much as I possibly can because it saves on suitcase space. And so I like to be a little bit put together but super comfortable. I'm probably going to choose jeans over leggings, although if you have like a really great pair of sleek leggings, that can also look really cute. Number one key to pulling together a capsule and being able to really save on packing space is choose a color theme or choose a base color to start with. That will make all your planning a lot easier. So this capsule that you're looking at, the base color is black. That doesn't mean that everything is black in your suitcase, but it gives you a really wonderful place to start and then build other pieces alongside them. One of the main reasons why it's really important to choose a base color is your footwear. And then what do you do for shoes? So if you're trying to just stay minimal, just get like a really cute, like a Tory Burch little flip-flop is adorable. If you're packing efficiently, you'll have room for a fun little going out heel. And you don't have to stick to black. Like, I love metallics in the summer. I think they're a great neutral. So this is just an example of one that I've worn to death, and it's just nude and silver. And it has a nice little wedge on it, so you can dress it up a little bit, but still super casual. And if you love casual and do not want to think about any of your shoes at all, a new little flip-flop is just perfect. But anyway, so that's just an idea of the way to put together a tight little capsule collection that'll get you through a good week to 10 days on a warm. Hi guys. Okay, so the second little capsule that I want to show you for vacation wear that just really makes sense to be able to help you maximize your suitcase space is using white as your base color. So we talked about this as a travel outfit because your travel outfit is really key on helping you maximize your suitcase space. So I love this. I love just taking a white denim. You can either do a flare or a skinny, or even just like a wide leg linen pant is also just really fabulous as well. Put a bright little tank top with it. And then as your jacket, this is just an idea as a duster dress. This is our Stars Born duster dress in the Spencer Floral. It just really works beautifully as a throw-on over your outfit, but when you reach your destination, this is going to be your beach cover-up, it's going to be your bathrobe, it's going to be your brunch outfit, it's going to be your out-to-dinner dress. It's just going to cover all your bases. So that's a really, really smart piece to. And then one of the most valuable suitcase tricks that you can utilize is reversible pieces. And so this is our little Strata reversible skirt. And so it's so cute with this. This is the chambray on one side, and then it has this denim color on the other, which is just so great. But you can just wear it with all your cute little pieces, and also just like with this cute little sage color tank top, it's adorable. As you can see, even though white is our base, you're not just dealing with one color. You're able to incorporate lots of colors and get lots of versatility by using white as your base outfit. This was actually part of this capsule as well. This is our Sussex shirt dress. This is a pre-washed cotton. It has a little bit of lurex in it, and I love the lurex. It pulls in a metallic. Metallic is one of my favorite neutrals, especially in footwear. So this is just a really great strappy slide-on mule. So that just, I'm wearing it with a casual dress, but this can certainly go dressy. And then again, I just picked this up. So this would be perfect for this little capsule, just a navy colored espadrille sandal that's gonna work out beautifully with these. And then again, just go with a neutral if you don't wanna think about your shoes. It's totally great. Anyway, so those are just a couple of my tips to help you pack efficiently on vacation and help you get to your destination. Thanks, you guys. All right, just give me a minute. You can stop it, because we're gonna end it.